Add a sphere. Set it to smooth and add a subdivision surface with 2 interactions. Now go into the edit mode, select half of the sphere and press P to separate them. Ctrl+3 to go to the left view. Hold Ctrl and rotate it by 90 degrees. Select both of them, press Ctrl+J to join them and press M to merge vertices and do it by distance. I'll select these lines, then hit Ctrl+B to bevel, press Alt+E to extrude along normals. Add a bevel with 2 segments on the edges of the rubber part. Now select the extruded faces like so and go to the Material tab and create a new one and just assign. Then hit Ctrl+I and create a new material and call it yellowish. Then go to the render setting and set it to cycles and GPU compute, and for maximum samples I'm using 256. Create a particle system. Set to hair the number to 8000N and maximum length to 0.03. Go to Advanced, check hair dynamics with 5 steps. And then in Physics Forces, set Brownian to 0.005. Go to Children and set it to interpolated and amount change it to 20. In the roughness, in uniform set it to 0.04 and endpoint to 0.02. Select the part of the ball, leaving the white part, Shift+D to duplicate it, and create a vertex group and assign it. This will prevent the fuzz to hit the white part. Then go to Particle System tab, under Vertex Groups, add the group you've just created to Density. If the yellow color doesn't appear, just go back to the Materials, and put the yellow above the white part.